Welcome to the fourth installment of ALEX Tech Tips. In this session, you'll learn how to use your ALEX Content Sandbox. You can use your Content Sandbox to remix existing content and create new content for your personal use. First, type alabamalearningexchange.org into your address bar. Then, click the purple Let's Get Started button to enter the ALEX LOR. Click the blue Sign In button in the top right corner and sign in to your ALEX account. If you have not yet created an account, select the Sign In with Google button to sign in using your Google credentials, or click Create an Account and enter your name and email address. Then, click the Create New Account button. You will receive an email with a link to activate your new account. Please review the ALEX Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy. After reviewing the Terms and Conditions and Privacy Policy, click Agree and the Change Password button. Once you've logged in, you'll have access to the My Content Collections tab, which is represented by a stack of folders. On the My Content Collections tab, click on the My Content Sandbox tile. In My Content Sandbox, you'll see three different categories: Lessons, Sparkle Student Activities, and Other Resources. To remix an existing lesson, click Lessons, then click Add Content. After clicking Add Content, you will have the option to search existing lesson plans, import shared lesson plans from another ALEX educator, or create new lesson plans. To remix an existing ALEX lesson plan, type a search term and press Enter. You can narrow your search results by selecting a specific subject or content collection. The search results will display lesson plans and mini lessons that include the search term. Click on the checkbox to add lesson plans to your Content Sandbox. After selecting the lesson plans, click on the purple Add Selected Items button, then click the blue Done button. Please note, only vetted lessons and resources will appear in the search results. Now, the selected resource will be added to your Content Sandbox, and you will have the option to edit the resource for your personal use. To edit the resource, click the blue Edit icon in the bottom left corner. After clicking the Edit button, you will have the option to edit any portion of the learning resource. Simply click on the Edit icon next to each lesson section. You can use the Lesson Plan Companion's large language model to suggest new ideas for your lesson. Please note, the lessons and educational materials developed by Alabama teachers are licensed under the Creative Commons Attribution, Non-Commercial Share-alike 4.0 International License. You are free to share and adapt the materials, provided you give appropriate credit, do not use the materials for commercial purposes, and distribute your contributions under the same license. You can also import shared resources from another ALEX educator by entering a lesson ID. You can then edit the resource in your sandbox. Please note, lesson plans shared by another educator using a lesson ID may contain resources and third-party content not vetted by the ALEX team. To start a brand new lesson using the ALEX Lesson Plan Companion, click Create a New Lesson Plan. You will now be able to create a new lesson using the ALEX Lesson Plan Companion's large language model. In My Content Sandbox, you can also remix existing Sparkle student activities or other resources, or create new Sparkle student activities or other resources. You can follow the same steps discussed previously to search existing resources, import shared resources, or create new resources. Please note, Sparkle student activities or other resources shared by another educator using an activity or resource ID may contain resources and third-party content that has not been vetted by the ALEX team. That wraps up our introduction on using your Content Sandbox on the ALEX LOR. If you have any questions or need assistance using the ALEX website, please reach out to the ALEX team and we'd be glad to help.